Hey everybody, it's Miss Ship. Hope you had a good long weekend. I just am out at a doctor's appointment today. I will be back tomorrow. We're going to do notes on multiplying binomials. So we're going to first talk a little bit about what a binomial is. It's a kind of polynomial, and it has two terms. A binomial has two terms, like a bicycle has two wheels. So we're going to learn about different kinds of polynomials. A monomial has one term. A binomial has two terms. A trinomial has three terms. And then after that, it gets kind of generic. Polynomial of four terms, polynomial of five terms, etc. Multiplying binomials. When multiplying binomials, we use the distributive property, but we have to make sure both terms in the first set of parentheses are multiplied by both terms in the second set of parentheses. There are different ways to organize your work when you do this, and I'm going to teach you 3 different ways so you can pick which one works best for you, because every time I show 3 different ways, there's always somebody who likes each kind of way. All right. So the first thing we're going to talk about is FOIL. So the FOIL method, when you multiply, you're going to do your first times your first term, your outside terms, your inside terms, and your last terms. Okay? So 2x times 5x is 10x squared. 2x times negative 8 is negative 16x. 3 times 5x is 15x. 3 times negative 8 is negative 24. And then you write everything out and combine your like terms. Here we combine like terms. And you should end up with a trinomial. In special cases, you'll end up with a binomial if your x's cancel out. Okay, this is a good example with all the colors here. All right, let's do a couple of FOIL examples. So here I have first times first, x times 3x, plus outside times outside, plus inside times inside, and then last times last. Okay, and then you simplify each piece. I get 3x squared minus 5x plus 6x plus 10. I need to combine my like terms. So I have 3x squared plus 1x, or just x by itself, plus 10. And that would be my answer. Okay. All right, let's look at another one here. And I'm going to do fewer steps this time. Okay. Oh, I bet that's supposed to be an x. That's supposed to be an x. Okay, so I have 8x times 2x gives me 16x squared plus 8x times negative 10. That's going to give me negative 80x. Inside is going to give me 14x. And last gives me negative 70. I need to combine those like terms. 16x squared minus 66x minus 70. So that's how we would use FOIL. Now we're going to look at a different way, is using the distributive property. And what we're going to do here is you break apart the first binomial and multiply each term by the second binomial. So here I have x plus 2 times x plus 4. I take that blue x times x plus 4, and then that pink 2 times x plus 4. And then we're going to distribute and combine like terms. Okay. So what that's going to look like on this problem, I'm going to take the 2x and multiply it by 5x minus 8. And then I'm going to take the negative 9 and multiply it by 5x minus 8 again. Then I'm going to distribute, and I have 10x squared minus 16x minus 45x plus 72. Combine my like terms. Use a calculator to make sure I'm doing that right. Negative 16 minus 45 is negative 61. 10x squared minus 61x plus 72. Okay, so that's the using the distributive property. Now one more. A lot of people really like this one. This is the box method. And in this one, you draw a 2x2 box, and you set it up like this with one of the binomials across the top and one down the side. And then you multiply this way. 6x times x. 12 times x. 6x times negative 5. 12 times negative 5. And then you're going to combine your like terms, which will line up on the corners. They should. Okay. And you get your answer. So let's try one of those. This is also called the area model, if you ever hear that. Okay, so I draw a 2x2 box. I'm going to put 7a plus 1 on the top and 8a minus 3. Here I get 56a squared plus 8a minus 21a minus 3. And when we pull that out of there, I have 56a squared plus 8a. This could possibly be a step that you skip. Here are your like terms. 56a squared. Oh gosh. What is that? 13? 8 minus 21, negative 13. Minus 13a minus 3. I like the box method. I'm a very visual person. But like I said, it's up to you which strategy you like the best. Okay, so now on these last two examples, I'm going to let you choose your method. I'm going to do... I'll do the box method and FOIL. And you guys do which one is good for you. Okay. So you guys should be doing these problems on your paper right now. Or your iPad, wherever you're taking notes. Okay, so there's my examples. Hopefully you got something similar. If you made a mistake, try to figure out what it was. All right, so we're done with notes. I'm not sure how much time is left before lunch, but get to work right away, please. I made a GimKit homework assignment. I'm not exactly sure how that works. So send a screenshot for me when you like reach the goal or whatever. And read what I wrote in Canvas because I wrote some directions there for you. I will see you tomorrow. Please be good. Bye.